Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll teach you three formulas: concatenate, find, and left. Assume this is the data where you have the project number, project manager name, start date, end date, and TCV, that is total contract value. This just for a representation. So using this data, say assume you are a coordinator and you need to get the report from the manager. For example, the first line, Shelly Christopher, who is working from Chennai for Atisha Media project. Okay, and this is the project number. So you have to write a email. Say subject would be like, "Dear Shelly, I request you to update the project progress report file and submit it in our system for the project so basically here this uh, project manager name Shelly and the project number will be our variable, rest the text. So to get this format, how do we do that? So we have here in this example I have 9. So assume you have been assigned with the 10, so you have to write letter or sorry email to all this with this particular text. So how do we do that? So let's see. Now we need to figure out the two variables which I told you, the project manager name and the project number. Project number is easy because it's just a cell reference. Okay, for here B2. But here the name Shelly Christopher, it has got everything. We don't want the entire thing. We want only Shelly, and this is not constant because it may have seven numbers, it has four, five, so the number also changes. So we need to find a formula. So I'll incorporate all these three formula: concatenate, find, and left. Left is okay. Tell you left into one formula. But before that, we will try to do it separately. Then we'll incorporate everything in a one formula. Then it would be easier. So first, I'll need to find out the Shelly. So how many letters we need to pick? So before that, we need to find where does Shelly end after a space. So I'll use find function formula. So find what it does. It finds the text. What we need to find a space. So I put within inverted commas space. From where? Within text, from here. Okay, then I close the bracket, then enter. So if you see, it says 7. What does the 7 means? The seventh character has this space. So we found, okay, so seventh space. So if we drag, so we'll come to know where all spaces are there for each of the project managers. Now, getting the space is not enough. We need to pick the name. So how do we pick? So I use left equals to left, left after this, from left here. Right is from this side. So left, I'll take the text. I'll take the text from here. And how many characters? Comma. It says how many characters. Now I know that seventh is a space. So I'll take this one, including this space. So I'll take this one, G2, which we put the formula. Okay. Now we get the name. Okay. Now we got the name, and now we'll try to uh, put everything into sentence something like this. Okay. So how do we do that? We'll use concatenate. Concatenate is nothing but it joins many strings. Okay. We'll say concatenate What all I need to join? I'll the text is dear, and I'll get dear Shelly. Shelly is in G3, so I'll put G3. Okay. Then another text. Then you type in the text. Oh, I request you to update the project. Project in our project progress report. So I have put this one and comma and project number. Project number is in C2, right? So I put C2, and I close the bracket. Okay. Now it says, Dear Shelly, I request you to update the project progress report file and submit our system for the project. Oh, not C2. Sorry. Project is in B2. So I'll just change it to B2. This has to be B2. Sorry. B2. I request you to update the project progress report file and submit in our system for the project. So and so. And now, since now there are here only concatenate is there, and here left and fine. What we will do, we'll merge everything into one formula. So what I'll do here, D2. So this formula I'll copy here, excluding the equal marks. Okay, and wherever G2 is there, I'll just replace it. Okay, now I remove this. Now we got this formula. Now wherever G3 is there, this cell in here, we'll put this formula. We'll copy and I put it in G3. See, I hope I select this one. Okay, to make it more clear, I'll open bracket and close bracket, and within that, we'll copy this formula from the bracket, paste it, close it. So everything is yeah in one formula in one cell. So even if I remove this one, it will work fine. So we'll do that thing. We'll copy this one. Okay, copy this formula and put it for all the project managers. So I just need to copy. Request spelling is wrong. That's okay. We can always change it. Happens. Well, okay. So I'm just copying this data. Okay. and I'll update in the then I'll fill the autofill. See, so it has update everyone with their respective, and all the formulas are there in one cell. Now we'll try to understand again. It's a concatenate is joining two or more strings. So we're joining this. Dear project manager, how do we find the project manager? Left of from left, find the space. So it will find seven. So take seven letters and put it here. Then the text and beauty is a project name. Yeah. So here in the first case it will be seven, other will be six. So whatever, wherever the space is. So that's how we get it. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.